So in this video, we're going to look at ways to spot a token before it reaches a 100x return. That is 10,000% return. Also, don't forget that the link to AXIOM is on the description below, and you can also share the pin comment. So cabals are those that have money, they have influence, they have connections. They are a group of people. It's not just one person, they are a group of people. They have money, they have influence, they have connection. So those people can create a token and move it up, or can get into a token and move it up. Any token they are part of is going to like return so much profit. So much, because they're going to spend a lot of money in marketing. They have connection, they know people to meet, they know people to connect to, that will talk more about the project, that post about the project, that will connect marketers to talk about the project. So you need to spot those ones that are from cabals. So there's a tool that will help you identify those token that are from cabals. So this tool, I'm going to show you how to spot them. So when you see, like, once a token migrate, you can know if this token if this token has some cabals in it. Once you can spot a token that have a cabal in it, you can easily make 100x easily. So let me show you the tool. So the link is going to be on the description below. So now once you once the token migrates, you see a token that caught your eye. You see a token that caught your eye. Then you just need to, like, let's say we copy the C of the token. We copy the C of the token. We take it to that core analyzer boot and paste the C and just paste it. We just paste the C. Now it's going to show us people that has core this token. We have 15 callers. Your question might be, so how can I know which one that has cabals? Now this is what you need to know. So now you see this menu here. Click on it. Click on top ROI channel last week. That is the top channel that has made good returns in the last week by calling these tokens. So you can see the date. This was last week. This number one here is core, like his total score made over 52x. 52x. This is almost 100x in a week. 52x. The second one 43x. The third one 14x. So now we have seen this number one. We can click and go to the channel and join if you want to join. So now we need to, like, identify his name. Identify his name, like memorize his name, or just, it is saved here already, so you don't need to, it's saved here already. So next week you come again after, like, the end of okay, this was last week. So next week Monday, so this is a new week. So the upper week Monday, you will come back and click on top week again and check if this guy, this Marco score, this Marco score is still in the top 10 in the second week. Then third week again you check, is he in top 10 in the third week. Then the fourth week again you check, is still the top 10 in the fourth week. That is this, for example, that is this Marco score knows something. He knows something. He said that he's part of a cabal, or he has insider information, or he has relationship with good KOLs. So once you can like, once you see that this maybe I'm just, for example, they have other ones here, you can just, like, say, okay, okay, let's say this one, this let's say this macro score on the first week meet a good percentage. Second week again, it was among the top 10. Third week again, it was among the top 10. Fourth week again, it was among the top 10. Now you can know that, okay, this macro score knows something. So all you need to do is, when, like, let's say you now take a CA, you take a CA, let's choose anyone. You take a CA, then you post it. So how many calls this one? This one has 14 calls. So when you click on the calls, Then let's say for example, you now say that okay, immediately it has like migrated, because that one is like how many minutes old? It's like 38 minutes old. So immediately like it has migrated, like I want like let's say 2 to 3 minutes of migration, then you can really do this, because once they have called a token on their group, on their Telegram channel, once they call a token on their Telegram channel, it tends to go up very fast. So you need to like be able to do it very early. So that's okay. That's maybe for example, you know, so that okay, Marcus call was part of the caller, and you're not like okay, so this token has this Marcus calls as one of his caller. That is something I need to make more research about. So example, let's say you now see like we have other ones here. You now see like let's say one, two, three. All these three that has been like maybe there are three inside this top 10 every week for the next 4 week. They called the same token immediately it migrated. Just know that this token must be part of an insider information, or a cabal is behind it. So you should make more and more research. So the more people you see, like the more callers that has done good numbers every week for the top channel every single week. You now see like let's say you now see like 4 or 5 instead of it, instead of the top 10 call the same token at the same time. Just know this must be part of a cabal token, or they are working based on insider information. So it is very easy to spot 100x token before it's 100x.